Listen up, you imbecile apes. If you want to support me, you do not need to like this video. You do not need to subscribe to this top ticker trades jerk, because all he does is talk bad about me all of the time and tells half-truths about me.
Of trading abuses by short sellers. The DOJ is naming names, but Charlie Gasparino is here right now with, I guess, has anybody received a notice of any sort?
I found two. Okay, let me just go through this. First, if you're a hedge fund, the bad news, it does look like Gary Gensler at the SEC is coordinating with the DOJ in this probe. Gensler's schedule for November has come out. He has met with like a senior DOJ official, according to the schedule. He has met with trading firms. So clearly, there's some coordination going on between the SEC and the DOJ on this thing. And this is mainly about activist hedge funds that publish research or entice others to buy their research or sell their research, I should point out, allegedly entice them to buy their research, other investors that they could trade off of, and possible manipulation using that research. I say possible because this is a long way from a case, and it's a long way from even a real heavy-duty investigation where people are shaking in their shoes. I found two firms that got subpoenas. There's maybe more. I think it's just a handful. One is Citron Research, the other is Muddy Waters, and that's about it. Most of the people, and it's a 60-name list that DOJ is asking for information about. They have not gotten subpoenas. So that's where we are right now. I will say this, Liz, such cases are extremely difficult to bring. Back in 2005, I believe, I was at CNBC at the time. I did a lot of reporting about how they were looking at this sort of activist short selling and stock manipulation with research. And it goes nowhere often because a lot of this stuff is First Amendment backed. You know, I'm a hedge fund. I'm Muddy Waters Research. I really do believe in my report that's negative on a stock. I give it to someone who trades on it. So what? Now, the question is, do they manipulate stocks in any way? Again, extremely hard to prove, but that's where we are right now. Yeah. Maybe it's just a fishing expedition. Now, one sort of interesting thing, Liz, and I hate to bring this up because I know Los Angeles is where you come from. This thing is coming out of the. This thing is coming out.
I'm ready.
This thing is coming out of the Los Angeles office. Not exactly like one of the more premier DOJ offices, particularly when it comes to white-collar crimes. So, no offense, Liz. I know that I think it's probably located in Beverly Hills. The DOJ. Not only kidding about that, but
perfect
anyway.
Place. They're working very hard out there. I can see.
Yeah, I can tell. Going to Craig's and hanging out at Dan Tana's in between taking depositions.
Nate Now's. Don't forget Nate Now's. Charlie,
Now's.
Quick question about this though. Andrew Leff of Citron Research is a pro.
Yes,
he
I know more.
Crosses his T's and dots his I's. I mean, what do they think they're gonna? You know what I'm saying? They're gonna find here.
I've spoke with Andrew about this. I mean, he would tell you that he would like to be able to respond to something, but he doesn't know what he's responding to. He doesn't know what he did wrong. He publishes research.